What's up, guys? I don't know, so it's a girl Shakaberry back in the building. So you don't know, see, I want a new movie this dropping out, guys. So I want to know if you like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to stay tuned in. So guys, for the previous video, I realized some people say I've been talking too much in the video. But guys, if sorry for any inconvenience this might have caused you, and I don't know something that you have supporters, I love and appreciate you guys. And if you know guys say yo too much talking in the video, I do apologize about that, guys. You don't know, say a girl have to keep on up to date and talk about the things them. So that is the reason why me talk and I tell you the things. But if you don't like talking, guys, you can always skip through the talking and go to the movie. But guys, this movie is a life lesson movies. Cause you don't know, say me always shoot life lesson movies where me I talk about friends and betrayal and things. And you don't know, your friends set you up, and I know all the friend can set you up to, you know, guys. Your family can set you up, you know, guys. Your family can set you up, your man can set you up, your woman can set you up, because you have a lot of things in this world that is called jealousy and envy, where your own family envy you, your man where you're sleeping in your bed, your enemy, your friend envy you, your sister envy you, your brother envy you, your cousin envy you. So I always shoot life lesson movie, guys. So I want to know if you stay tuned. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and stay tuned because your girl Shakaberry is here in the building. We love, respect, and appreciate you guys. And you don't know, so if you don't watch the movie, them guys, nobody now gonna know, nobody now gonna recognize you. So guys, I just want to know if you stay tuned. You understand? Some of you say me even repetitive, but guys, as me say, when you can always skip through and go to the movie, because you don't know, so Shakaberry not ever a go let you down. Shakaberry will never let you guys down, because once we post a movie, it's a life lesson movie, and I know so enough people out there can relate to the movie when we post. Enough persons can relate to things when we post out there. People can also learn from things that I post out there. So guys, watch the movie, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. Guys, I want to know if you comment in the video, comment in the movie, comment and tell me movie ideas, comment and tell me more of what you guys want to see. Like and comment. I want to know just watch a movie and not comment. I want to know if you comment and make me know so the movie nice. So peace out and make sure you comment and share. Love you. Right now, I'm not feel for going to school, you know. Look at my friend and find out how she did. Because I'm in high school vibes. Because she and my officer, she Kira. Yes, girl, what happened? You know, say, I rate me there, up yard. I don't think me I got to school this morning, you know. What you say I do? Alright. Me I come out the road and now so you can come late me. Alright. Call her now and find out I wish part she reach, because this must have come on. I want iPhone 13. Hello.
Hey, what happened?
I come meet you now.
Alright. Oh!
What?
What you say I come to them?
Well,
In school now going up.
me tired of school right now. This online thing.
Brother.
This online thing now work for me, and then my teacher them now come and class. And I say,
Oh, I pray.
but guess what, mama? Yeah, me too. Remember say, no, remember say I'm me. I remember say I told with the goat and me to boy.
Oh,
You remember?
America.
Yeah, I hear me attack on the principal.
No, different smarty girl.
Well,
What about the movie?
listen to me to boy and the boy to say, buy my iPhone 13.
I lie.
So me can't wait because you know long man want iPhone 13.
Yeah.
But me don't know when me I go tell me don't know when me I go tell my mother so me talk about it.
You can't find something for us.
I me can't tell him say fear mother come from friend and
Yeah.
you know tell him.
I tell her, I say. No, but you will find something for her.
But girl, me want the iPhone 30 but me say if you go and look feel so I want look feel so me can. So me that's why me not go to school today so me can look feel.
You can't tell her, so we have coursework for carrying.
I me can't tell him say me but me did tell her already say me dey go to library. So you know remember say remember say me and your friend here. So when you know say I'm in the yard, you know go say nothing.
So which part do you live?
Why me call him?
You want to go?
Me can't get. But when I want, me see iPhone 13 girl, I me see one suit. What color? Christmas. I want pink iPhone. You know, say pink is my favorite color.
Make me call out here. Sorry?
Jason. What? Me say no for when me no see you. Yeah, me I want to look for you now. I want to look for you now. Where you live? You can come pick me up or if you come meet you. Yeah, me and my friend are come. Yeah, alright. Girl, you say we can come. Well, you say we come meet him and we you say you live far from me. You say I go come pick you up. But me don't understand.
I can enjoy it.
BMW. So me I wonder say how you live so near me and me don't know him and I first me I see him.
So we see you in a wait for your area you come from?
That's why I tell me say you live far from me.
So which one is the yellow go? What is it here?
It's a video. You know what this me how you not change. I will say iPhone 13 me I go from come back on me.
You're not easy.
Yeah, so well we can meet you by now.
Come on, look.
Oh, the girl are coming with an iPhone to give them but not the money.
Right now. We have to just walk them and send them back at the yard, man. Yeah, that we have to do.
Yeah, man. Run them, you know.
That we have to do.
Why we not have money to buy phones today, you know.
All we have to do then I just walk them and run them away, you know. You I eat that girl them then so we just have to go give them something free and run them away, you see me?
Yeah, man.
What's one smell there, sir?
Oh, so much bush there, so.
So.
I need to see a while I was seeing living upstairs and downstairs. Me not sitting down upstairs, I borrow me see. Che, what's up?
Oh, go on.
So we reach here, you know, one of the fan.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So how the tell us a big one house you live in and nowhere? Our 4 years this year.
Free whole same, you know.
Oh, so where wild house there?
Thing in progress, man. I pass the block down there, sir.
But you tell me say you live in upstairs and downstairs.
Mama can't invite me in.
Come in, no.
So
Yeah.
so me and my friend come. So no good though.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So where iPhone there and I carry go somewhere and your friend just sit down so.
The iPhone there, man. I'm not ready to cut it.
Oh, I want people. If I go people here.
Alright.
I need to sit down so that they know.
Go look this.
Yes, mama. What's right, they want to send them money,
That we have to do, you know. We can't waste our time, you know.
That's true, man. Right, they want to send them money.
We do your crime then, man.
Hey, Here, what you say, you know? No, no, ride me off. Only can ride she off alone. Why plan?
You open one, no?
Alright?
Alright then. Same thing I said.
She alone not gonna ride off. If you not give me some of the money, me I go talk. So I deal or not.
You say I reckon.
That's soft one.
Alright.
That's soft one.
So me go to chicken and tell her I want to go whatever. Then so me I go buy something and then I walk she alone. Oh what? Nothing? Oh, you ready? You sound like them I'll call you. So so they say later we are go. Like when they say later we are go buy something. Me money I'm go buy something. Me I call you back.
Yeah. Alright.
You alright to stay by yourself?
Yeah, me alright. You can't do me nothing.
Alright, you not take long.
Can't want water for me, thirsty.
Alright.
As soon as they say you're good,
Yeah man, me good man. Just there go and easy.
you're gonna buy one new flat screen TV and iPhone around the so development.
So come on now. I go and so how long me come fifi phone and only day I go and like sick. I go and so. So how run I so look so? Watch out.
Come here, you love iPhone. So.
Move from your side.
What am I gonna do this?
You want iPhone? You see what iPhone you?
Shut them up.
Shut up.
No, I'm not gonna tell my mother before I say. Somebody help me! Oh, that there ball out rape. Girl, me soon call her back here. Soon call her back. How are you? What happened? What happened? Some boy hold me down. Them hold it down and rape you? Yeah. So your mother them there? You see that's why you don't keep friend. You see what friend do?
I mean, I'm a friend go, honey.
That's why you must keep friend.
Me and my friend go, me I call her and she now come.
Yes.
Oh, she go left there, that's it.
Hope you learn now.
Oh, God.
Hope you
You know
learn.
what me I go tell me mother
Try
say.
to tell him.
Me tell her say me I go library.
Oh. Wow, man, take man, that's enough to keep friend.
Link up. Give that me a drop. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What am I doing?
I come for you, man. I have no money for you, man. You don't come for man.
You want me now? We have a deal. I want my money.
I have no money for you.
Better find it.
Mm.
They promise me money. If you know you're broke, don't promise nobody money. You get what you want, though. We make one deal. Here, what? I don't want no long conversation with you. I go up on the road. Make sure when I come back, you have my money. Can you give me here?
Yeah, I'm going, man. Make sure I come back to my yard, man.
I check your truck.
Can't go and talk. You will see.
No, what kind of place is it? I promise me money and I'm money to you. Come back here. You come back and me all long for you. Last hour, you can't me not me idiot boy. You must think say you're shut over this.
Shaka.
Today I know, there's something I can talk to you about. You know something I can talk to you about. You're supposed to hear already though. You know say, other day, me meet one boy and something and he tell me saying like me. So, he said to me say, me tell him say, Christmas will come and something and he say, he want to spoil me and give me some things. So he said to me say, he might buy me an iPhone 13 and I feel excited. So me tell my friend now, and me and my friend go find yard, and when we go find yard, they rate me and something like that, you know. And I know what me I go tell my mother say, cause we tell my mother say me I go to the library, and I don't know.
Where your friend did there when they were she couldn't help you?
My friend, she said she gonna buy something when she come back now, me I expect say she da help me, and when me come, see she a bae me and I say, yeah man, and I say, how me selfish and something there and raise. So me I say, why should I do that? So me get me find out now, say, look, like say she set up everything and something because she just got, when she come back, get me find out, say, she set up everything. Because me I say, I know she not going to look for me and don't find what happened, you know. I know she not going to look for me and me I call her and me not get her. And I say, you know, say me can't talk to you about any little thing that you don't know, so you're my big cousin already. You know how me tell me say, maybe she'll find out.
Alright, Shaka, me understand. No worry about your mother, I'm going to talk to her if you're here. But as young girls, sometimes we do make mistakes. You just have to have your head on your body and wise up. And that friend there did already sound like she did update her, she did already know what going on. You sure so them not PR or something?
Me don't know what they do, me don't know if they PR or what, me just say me don't hear nothing from her. And he tell me say he live in a big wall house, so me go there, I want a big old rotten up house and one heap of bush and something, and it smell bad and something, and I feel bad.
I hope you learn this thing. I hope you learn something from what happened. But you see, friend, why you think me keep myself to myself?
Yeah, you always tell me.
Friend do things to me already. Please keep yourself to yourself. By the way, you see that girl? Me can't set her up and make me contact. No, me I go set her up. You know about it. Me I got to take care of it. Me I take it in my hands.
Cousin, I don't really want that, you know, because it not gonna make me no different from she. I believe say if you just left him to the karma reach him, because we all know say karma I don't want easy something. I don't want to do that to her because me make me look like me is no different.
Karma, you have time to wait for karma. If me wait for wait for karma, no for them did their own way, that's still their own way right now. I'm going to get to find them out so easy. As me say, me I got to take it up in my hands.
No, make it stay. Me don't want that to happen. Just me believe say karma will reach him, and me pray to God say karma will reach him. And pray for God say if he punish her. So,
Alright, me look, because if I see so, I'm going to take your word for it because I hear feelings still now. But what me have to say to you now, wise up. No make no man fool you. Stay at school and take your book. Anything you want, in due time you can work for it and earn it yourself. Not no nice like when you earn your own. So take your book, go to school, take your book, get a proper education and get a good job. Don't licky and follow nobody. No follow nobody and no run down nothing. In due time you will get it. It might slow, but it will surely come. Just wait for time. You what me say?
yeah. I learn, I listen, and I think I just go stay to myself and now and focus more on my education because for them I'm nothing. So I just focus on myself and just do the whole different thing and stay to myself. But as I say, karma will reach her and I go wait today to see when karma reach her because I know it will reach her.
I know where about your mother, as me say.
Talk to her for me. I can go down and now go wash up some plate which this and wash up before she come. I know she stay already.
Yeah, man, I go call her and talk to her. Yeah? Take care.
Yeah, talk to her because I know how she go on and you can't go face her. So just talk
Yeah,
to
man,
her.
me I go talk to her, man.
But any little thing you come, if I don't come, she gonna start killing me.
Alright. Take care now, you know?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, wait. Now, Jason, that there. Jason! 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 Someone may tell you this, me need answers. Jason! 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 God, we never. I just feel like me let down mother. Just feel like me let her down and feel like me let down my father. Feel like me let down everybody, me let down myself. And he might walk like he not even know me. God. I don't know, like, if you tell my mother, so I just feel disappointed. God. I just can't really believe, so I let down my mother, I let down my father, and
What happened to you?
I feel embarrassed to talk. You know, so one day, some boy they promised me an iPhone 13 and me go for iPhone 13 and instead they give me iPhone 13 they rate me and my friend run me left me.
Really?
Yeah, and me don't know what me I go tell my mother say cause I library me tell her say me do that good.
You know, I know somebody that could help with this.
Yeah. I don't want nobody to kill them though. But I really want them to get justice or police to lock them up and that me I want.
Alright.
I don't want police to lock them up. That me don't want.
Alright. You can show me where you live?
Alright, I don't want to come because I don't want them to know say I'm me tell you. I don't want if you come to me and my mother nothing. So you see when I walk up on the hill, like you walk up so, you walk up on the hill, when you catch up on the hill, you look over on the side here, you see one pink and blue house. And that's, yeah, it's up on the other side. And so you can, he always there so you can go over there anytime.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
Alright, thank you. You hear?
Good day.
Yeah.
Are you named Kira?
No?
Remember you know your name Kira?
I'm to the lady, man.
Yes, are you. You see him one.
What me do?
You are uncle friend me know my cousin have. Are you me a talk to?
Miss, what you do? Stop touch me. That lady I know
Me had fear cause you set up my cousin make them rape
Oh,
her.
set up no puzzle. Me
You.
set up no puzzle. Like
See, generally, girl, when me attack,
Leg off on me. Leg off on me.
very, yes, me just beat the girl. Yeah, me just buck him over gun first and beat him. But me couldn't just make it go on, so me know you tell me that one, me couldn't make it go on, so. She too out of order. Hope she learn her lesson. Alright, look more.
Like this stuff I'm looking at TV at work. Oh Jesus. Bad things are happening to me. Bad things.
Girl, what happened? I said me don't know what to do. Me say me feel weak and tired. Be asleep, me asleep. Me don't know what to me. Me afraid because I remember what happened to my other day, you know. You remember when they said they rape me or something? Other day they rape me, man.
I'm pregnant.
Me afraid because I know.
Symptoms of pregnancy.
Me afraid because I know like see one of them rape me, or two of them.
My God.
I know my mother don't know about them, then what me I go tell her, say.
So what you plan to do about this?
You don't know, you want to come, you can't come check me.
Alright, let me come now.
Yeah, come now, because right now me afraid because I don't know me how to tell my mother, say she so come forward.
Alright, now come now.
Yeah. God. Pinky, come in. Girl, sun hot. No, sir. Me sun hot, man. Sun hot, papa. Oh, you know, so me there, as me tell you, me feel weak. Alright, now me just stress out.
So, what you planning to do about that now?
Me don't know when me hear them talk about abortion and I wonder if me can do that because me don't know me tell my mother say.
You know what I say? I'm a good friend. And you know what I say? Abortion come with two things. Is that you make it out alive or dead. Yeah?
Right now, prefer me the dead more than in this situation. Yeah.
No, you can't say that, man. What you know? Me have one friend who sell the pill them. But girl, at 20 I told you for them the pill, you know?
Well, me have some money when me I save. So me have to just do it, get the pill them because me don't know what me I do it. But me I tell mommy say, because when they rape me tell me mama say me I got a library and she say alright. So when she hear that now, she got disappointed in me and gonna kill me anyway, so better me just take a risk and done.
Alright. We have to go just do what we have to do and pray to God say that pill don't cause any damage to you.
So wait person, they person in there?
Yeah man, the person then near. And I call the person and tell him say I want to I pill them. Cause I two pill, you know.
Yeah, just tell me when me can link you or you can call him now and make him know say me I come and just give me a location.
Alright. You want me to I'll call him now. Johnny, you know some want two of them pill there. You know me I talk already, man. Yeah. One of my friends them all come for it. Alright.
Yeah, so wait. Away in there.
If you come for it. You see right round a mango hall so?
Yeah.
And round you see if you go.
Oh yeah. You know what
You
it
see as I reach round there, you ask you what man named Johnny living in one big dirty white house he living in. Just ask me.
We the one big wild house, the biggest
Yes.
the biggest wild house story.
Yes.
Oh, me know, me hear about him, you know. Yeah.
Alright, get it.
Yeah. But my mother so come on, you know, she and she don't want me a company and something there. So
Alright, my friend, later.
call me when I reach up, baby.
Alright.
Yeah. Take care of yourself.
Alright.
How that? Come in, Corey. Come.
Yeah, you know. I'm really here, say, go on.
Here, say.
Me hear something go on. When me go from my mother, I come back and me hear say, man this and man that. How them a pray?
Then what? They rape me.
Them what?
Yeah, they rape me.
Them?
Yeah, 2 man rape me.
Who and who?
Our man, we not even too know it, but we know where he live. He live by hill up the side of no man.
One big brother like?
They not really big and slim. Other one in body big, but fan he rape me, we not see him.
Well, no man, may I do something?
Yeah, go.
May I do something about it?
Problem this and no problem this and no. And you not even hear the full story when you hear that way more do. Oh God.
Yo, brother, me and some boy them written one.
Oh, that.
She said one boy from up on hill, one little slim one.
I can see boy.
Me I wonder if I see him boy from up there so.
No, man, we just eat him up. Go on, go on.
Me no laugh in business.
What a boy, you.
Who that is?
Why not? I give you no wrong information.
Yo,
Oh, that, I know.
I don't know.
you know me man? And them the movements say different. Them the movements say.
Shit the chicken, man. You never know.
You say this. The chicken. Where chicken for? iPhone.
You know him say one iPhone, so me give him iPhone. Me ain't give him no iPhone.
You know say I thought of it to you right so now. Pass pat. I make your mother your father.
Oh, yeah, follow up your answer like a bad man, brother. He's a fine man. Like you weed this
Lock
man.
it man. Lock it. I talk to you talk. Which for your virgin do? You say your cousin.
Yeah. Him not there.
No, there.
So a piece for piece. Wappa.
We have to make you feel thin, man. Nobody worry yourself. If you're laughing alone, we have to make you feel too, man. No worry yourself.
I'm not tell you if you lock it. I'm not tell you if you lock it, brother. Lock it. As I say, which for your cousin there?
Him not there.
Gone. Alright then. Seems like a
Which
you one.
person now?
Different person gone.
We're not worry about fear, brother. No. You catch you, know.
See me go call show man. Yo, showman. Yeah, you know say who find the boy. But I just think cause alone on the see. So the sending it rest a man then come. You see me? There. You know see. Remember this. Remember that day and remember what you do. Can you see in the next 24? Remember say I'm there. Alright. Yeah, grenade here.
I may come feel something, you know.
Alright, come on now, sir. Yo, are you alone come?
Yeah man, I'm alone come man. Nobody not come here.
So you see, have the money?
Yeah man, I have money passport man.
Alright, so you are one, you know. You see them, man? Can't take too much, you know. See, if you take too much, it will kill you and kill a picnic. Zane? And me know say I only pick me one day, right? Or you want it?
Man, no, I pick the alone man.
Oh, okay, alright. Come closer, man.
Alright.
Alright. Alright.
Yo, brother. See your friend other day now. And me I tell him say, for what I wanna do to the girl, they want the money what I wanna say when I have to give me. They might tell me foolishness. So I forgot to give money what I wanna have to give me.
Remember, you know, me never make no deal with you and him, you know. But here, I'll give you money still, but not right now.
Alright, so you say, I'm good on you, so.
Alright.
How me feel so man? Jesus, let me see me can't call the girl here. Jesus. Ooh. God. Hello. Pinky. Girl, me say me take a pill and me no know me feel so me feel. Me belly a hurt me and this morning me start bleed. Me weak, me can't even walk properly, girl. For me take a pill, man, me feel weak. Me belly a hurt me, I feel some wicked pain, girl. Right now up a boy yard, me want to go come. I have to go get justice with this. Me can't take this and I feel like me I go dead and me no want dead. Me feel a way. You say? Yeah, me take a pill. Two of them me take. Well, me never know say one me fi take a two me take because nothing man give me so me feel say a two me fi take. And now me feel like me out dead right now. Me a bleed. Up a boy yard me a go. This man me go in the bathroom and me a bleed. All of me blood up. And me mother call me and I say to me say what happened to me. Me fi tell her a lie. God, right, these things are like it to get worse. Me I go up a boy yard. Yeah man, alright. Jason! Jason! Oh God, I really say boy the Jason! This now go and so, you know. This now go so. Jason! Jason! God. Oh. Jason! Like you know there, you know what me do, you know what me I go do. Remember say me talk to a private detective already, you know what me I do. You know exactly what we do.
Yo, puppy. I pray. Step on. Long time I did link there, man. So you know say from what day me fi show you one program.
What boy?
Two girl come link to man and you do an iPhone, you see me? But whenever I have iPhone or money, so paying up all rape one of them, you see me? So that time code and all. So you don't know say another one want the money, you know. Cause she did help with plan of a thing to get to another girl. And right now we don't have the money. You see me? So right now I call me, I have to call her. And if I can help me too.
I'm not tough, bro.
Right now.
A vibes cartel say it in a bad boy. Trick a girl, fuck a girl, and scam a business.
Right now.
So,
You know, I have to do, I have to just call her, you know, and tell her, say, yo, me have the money, you see me, and just ship him and get rid of him, you see me. So, I make it call, you know.
so we have a deal with that.
I deal pan the end soon. Yo, me have the money, you know. Check me around pan me end, right now. Yeah.
Alright now.
So watch you know, just to make it high, because most of the time if you come for money, and you know, expect say me, I go there.
Brother, I'm tell you one thing, no, brother. I deal with the crime, no, brother. You see any crime, I deal with, brother.
No left evidence, son.
You see?
So just go and build back around so you can see. So when you come in, you just do your code.
And make sure you have money to give me. I'll pay both. Yo, see me, you know, where your money there?
So watch you know, before me give you money, just make sure say when me give it, you know, I don't hear nothing out there.
Pack up your money and give me.
You just make sure say everything okay. So me give you money, me not go hear nothing now. I don't put off a deal
Brother, stop
already.
talking and give me money now. I'll be here chatting to
You
them.
do me?
Yo, ain't dead, you know? Where you go?
Only for please, you know.
Yeah, we are going to be right now, you see?
So what go on here, sir? My brother there. Family, you know. Hi, sir.
Where you go?
You get a call, you know, say. You do a deed, you know. You say you rape one little girl on the road. That's true, sir? You know, I get a chance to finish name the Aki there. I want you to step this way. Police at the head! Get off this bump on it. You are police?
No,
sir. You look happy I go to jail. How yourself, man? Don't say where I come. Yes, are you rape a girl? That's true? Are you rape a girl?
no boy did it.
Are you a boy, dude? Oh, yourself, man. Yeah, boy, I want to have salvation around, sir. As a matter of fact, I'm not trust you, sir. Go on, sir. Go on, sir. Off the road. Christmas in a jail.
Oh, I got my pass over this. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Lord of God. Help! Oh man. Me I call the police. It's serious. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
You know something fine? Me a pass a while ago, me a tell you say. Me pass was in a bush.
Hello, miss. You need to talk up clearly because me sick and tired of this police work, you know. I know it's a police business they call me about. So I'm going to tell you something. This police work can have me frustrated, you know, miss. You have to speak clearly and speak fast.
Me a tell you say, me a pass a while ago and me tell you me see one. Me I see something over a bush. But when me look, me see one dead body. I have to hurry up, come right now.
One dead body?
Yes.
Or dead body? Wait a dead body or dead body?
One dead body, me say.
Dead body?
Yes.
Okay. And you can, you're sure it's a body, you see?
Yes, me sure. 100% sure.
Okay, alright. And you know the location? Where's the location? The location is where, miss? Because you can't tell me say there's a dead body somewhere. Where are you?
Mooney tree there.
Which lane is there? Which lane? I cross the lane there?
Yeah, right out there crossing lane.
Crossing lane, alright man. So
me never say crosses, me say crossing lane.
Oh, crossing lane?
Yeah.
Alright, that is it. Alright, no problem. I'm going to see if I can forward run out here right now. But we don't have no police jeep, you know, so I walk. So
yeah, hurry up, anything, hurry up.
Alright man, cool. Another lane, she said she did. Alright. Over here, sir?
Yeah, right over here, sir.
Alright.
Quick, come on, I'm here.
So you say, as a real dead body?
Yes.
So how you know she dead? I don't understand.
I don't know, Canada, I don't know what happened to her. I just pass and see her dead body.
You sure son you kill her? You want to put her around here?
Mr. Pass, me a pass.
Pass your pass?
Yes, I walk going to spot one look white cheap one so I'm gonna tell you say, what man say for you?
Because look on him.
Yes, man, see her.
I'm so happy.
Check out the camera, no, I'm
My God, that's what people, mankind can so wicked.
You know if she get raped or killed, I don't know what I'm to her.
I'm going to call them people coming now. I'm going to touch her and go see me kill her.
So now you can't look if she dead or something, I don't know what I'm to her.
You not take look
Call the ambulance now.
You know that me I do? Try come back, I bought my left foot to right, the bad luck this. Don't call the police them man. Call them people for come take her. So after what you see I don't get miss?
Me say I pass, me to do it tell you me.
Alright, now it's 1 o'clock. What time you pass here? Can you call me about an hour ago? So basically you tell me say you just pass and see her at that time. Cause she look fresh, you know what I mean? Look fresh like something just go on too long. Them all throw sheet over her like something not go on, you know what I mean?
But I don't know if she did or they raped
no
her
man, she dead man, cause I don't get no pulse and I can't look at she not breathe and all these things. So yeah man, she's a dead meat right now. But you are going, I am gonna have to take you in, you know, because guess what now, it's in this case, you are the witness. I don't want to know say when you fingerprints and all these things I have to carry in.
But
Alright?
officer.
Don't worry yourself, man. When you go to a station, just talk to them and then end of the days for bringing people. I can't bring you a dead body. Alright?
No, officer, you can't just handcuff me like that.
Don't worry yourself, man. I don't handcuff me, I hold my hold because I have to carry you in. I don't know you, I don't, you know what I mean? So, don't worry yourself, man. That's soon Christmas. Don't worry, you know, we're going to start.
Why there's something a serious thing in your
Yeah,
father,
you're rough, you're
God.
rough.
You better me did never see it and do.
Your phone pretty, so don't worry yourself. You can call someone. You have credit on your phone?
No.
You have credit on your phone?
No, me not
Don't worry
have
about it. We have a big landline down there. You can get a free phone call, alright? So when you go down there, make sure you ask them and talk to them, alright? So just tell them everything we're going
Yeah, me go tell everything coming out and go to prison.
Don't worry yourself, man. It's all good, man. Yeah. So what is your name again, my friend?
Shana.
Shana? Okay, this is the famous Officer Smiley, alright?
Yeah.
So don't worry yourself. Alright, let's go.
Alright guys, so we come to the ending of the video. So thank you guys for the like, the comment, the share, the subscribe, and make sure so on the comment, you know guys. If you do not comment, I want to stop on there, I don't know. I want to if you go below and make a comment. Guys, make me know if the movie nice. Make me know if you enjoy the movie. Make me know what they want in the movie. Because I don't know so on a girl Shakaberry now go ever let on it down. This is a repost, guys, a movie when we do from a long time. I just a repost it, guys, because a lot of you never get to see the repost when me do, so me a repost it because you don't know, so me get a lot of new subscribers, new supporters, new fans. So this is why me a repost so everybody can get to know. See, a long time Shakaberry Madness I do this, a long time Shakaberry Madness in a business, and Shakaberry Madness always I post the entertaining, the drama, the conflict, everything, because you don't know, say as me say in the starting of the video, this is a life lesson movie, guys, and there's a lot of persons out there who have got through the things that we are talking about. This is a movie where our friend basically set her up with 2 men because I want iPhone 14. No, because I want iPhone, guys. You understand what me I say? The friend set her up because I want iPhone, and her mother send her to school and she don't want to go to school. She want to be a bad girl, she want to be a bad. You understand? But because she want to be a bad girl and she don't want to take her education seriously, you see what happened to her? So school youths out there, for all of the pitting them out there, for all of the teenagers them, for all of the secondary and primary school pitting them, because you have some primary school pitting away their mindset after some people where they in them 20s, 30s, you have some big people out there. You have some pitney. We're going, like I said, them a big man and big woman. Some of them have put on pants down a body. Some of them want to wear belly skin blouse and put tissue in them breasts because they want to feel like I said them a big woman. This is my advice to you guys. Make sure you take on a book seriously. Make sure you say education is the key. Growing up, I've always was told that education and respect is the key. You see, nowadays females, man and woman, adult life, I know nothing for run down. I remember when I was in high school and primary school, me always depend, me well want to turn 16, me well want to turn 18, and guys, me start work from me a 15-year-old. And you see, when me turn 18 and me have to go up there, go work, and me have to get up early and morning time to go work, me left me yard 6 o'clock in the morning, guys. And when me I come back at my yard at night, and when me go my bed go sleep and me wake up back, guys, as me go my bed go sleep, I have to wake up back to go work. Adult life is nothing to run down, so make sure you on take on a book, take on the education seriously. There's nothing man not did if run down, and males no run down no woman neither, vice versa. No run down no man and males no run down no woman. Take on a book. You understand? Make sure son make the parents proud. If you don't want to go to college or you done school, make sure son get a skill. Go hard, get a skill. Living in this world right now without a skill, you're nothing. Because when I got me can tell about it. When you go in the call center and you go work in the call center, in the hotel industry, it's slavery. Because you're working more than what you're being paid. And when you work, you make a next man rich. That is the reason why I make sure I push and me do my local YouTube, my local side hustle. You understand me? Because working for people means nothing. Because when you get paid, you put out more work. And when you get up out of your bed earlier morning time, and when you figure work, you imagine you get up out of your bed earlier morning time, 6 o'clock me I left out of my bed at morning time, and I get up 6 o'clock. When me left my yard, the sun hot. When me I come back in at night, So females, males, on take on education seriously. Adult life is nothing for you guys to run down. So this is the reason why I'm trying, because growing up I've always wanted to be a person that inspires and motivate people to do good and try to be successful, be an inspiration and a motivation to the youths them out there, because me born and grow in the ghetto. So me know what life is about, me know everything. Me grow up come see my neighbor man a beat her because what? She not go to school to finish her education. When she pregnant, the man a beat her. She never go to school to finish her education. So man have her a spin her left, dash her right. And I took that as an inspiration, as a motivation to push myself and do better and become better. Cause me now come back when I see happen to my neighbor happen to me. So this is why guys me post inspiration movie, motivational movies, so you can watch it and know what is out there. So guys, me not want to only sit down and watch the movie and feel like I say, oh no, make sure someone to watch it, want to take this as a motivation. I say, you know, so the movie where Shakaberry put out a life lesson movie, make me this movie motivate me. So this is why I'm wanting if you comment down below, because you don't know, say one brain is better than one. You understand? One brain is better than one. So when you give me ideas and when you comment down below and make me know, say, you like the things when me post, that motivate me, guys. I mean, not only do this because when me post on YouTube, people know me, I'm popular, and people know me and me can make money. Me I do this out of the love of my heart. Yes, me I do it as a source of income, a second income, but me also do it because I want to inspire youths out there. Growing up, I've always wanted to create history. I've always wanted to be a legend. More people can look at me and feel motivated. People can look at me and feel inspired. So this movie is about this young girl. She no want to go no school. She want to take up man. She go follow her friend and her friend set her up. Guys, you don't know how much of this me hear happening in Jamaica. Friends set up their friend per man, and when they get ripped, their friend run with and left them. And when you look, the person who get grape and them get the blame, cause what? Them are gonna say, oh, a man she want and her mother send her to school. And also mothers out there, because I realize that in this generation now you have some mothers out there who treat their children or their kids, especially their girl child or girl children, as trash. They don't sit and speak with them. That is why I tell anybody, say, before you get up and run go breed, make sure so you're mentally prepared. Make sure so you're physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually prepared for that child. Because when a child come in your life, you're a completely different person. They say 24 hours before you have that child, you're not as soon as you have that child, you're a completely different person. You have to make sure so when a child born, you have to make sure so you change up any flaws where you have in yourself. You have to make sure so you work on any flaws where you have in yourself. You have to make sure so you sit down, talk to your child, talk to your daughter. You understand? Make your daughter know what is out there in the world. You can't treat her and expect so you're going to treat her anyway. Else you're going to go out there, go seek attention from somebody else. You know how much females out there right now who go through heartbreak and trauma in a relationship, all because they never get no love from them father, they never get no love from them mother. So now if you go out there, go seek it from somebody else. Now if you go out there, go seek it from some dirty foot waste boy who don't know nothing about love, who don't have no love in their heart. They seek attention from them, and then through the man them know so oh them don't really have nobody. If you stand up by their side, support them, love them, and motivate them, the man them treat them like a trash, because the man them sister oh them not have nobody, because the mother now sit down and motivate them and tell them what we do and what is what. Them now get the love from the background where they deserve. So they go through heartbreak and all type of trauma. The man breed them 1, 2, 3 times because they want to tie them down and control them. Because they might go through all that because there was no one there to speak to them and teach them about what is out there in the outside world. So guys, mothers, make sure say on a sit in the pit them down and talk to them. When you watch the movie here, I want them to go to the pit, I want them to make sure so make them sit down, talk to them, listen, make them know so listen. You see, the world is not an easy world. life not easy out there. Right now, when you're in the government work, you're in the hotel industry, you're in the BPO industry, a hand to mouth. When you go to boom and you pay your bills, them and money for go back at work and buy lunch, you don't have no money to save. You have to think wise. So make sure you talk to the picnic them and kids. Make sure you respect on the parents. Even when the parents wrong, you go on your knee and pray about it. No cuss them no clock, no cuss them no bumbo clock. No cuss them no bad word. Go to your knees and pray to them about it. At the end of the day, they say your parents must not provoke you, but you must not disrespect your parents. So go to God about it. Because remember, God not sleep. God not sleep. So guys, as me say, when you say me I talk too much but me not care, me I go talk and me I go motivate you. Cause sometimes I wish somebody could have talked to me like this when I was young. Me have to get up, me grow up in the streets, me have to learn things by myself. Me look around, me I see certain things and tell myself, you know, so me not want that to happen to me. Me now gonna make that happen to me. I have to learn, me have to get up and learn after my mistakes, them make my own decision and my own, just because I didn't have a support, neither than my mother and my father to talk to me about certain things. So this is why I use my testimony to motivate and inspire others. So if my testimony can save someone else, that make me feel good. So no for no say me talk too much. I hope when me I talk, only can listen to what me I say and learn from it. So if you can make a change from what I am saying, nothing in this world never run down. Right now, me that tell anybody say best as a young adult in her 20s, best if you focus on yourself. No run down no relationship. No run down no man. You look up pump my jump, you go pray. Pray. Work on yourself. Find yourself. When you're in your 20s, a time for your work on yourself and find yourself. Find out where you love, where your heart desire, where you're good pan. Anything where you're good pan, think of it financially. Make it be a financial income. Make it be something where you can progress in. Tell yourself, you know, I want to be the generational person of my family. You know, I want to be first in my family to do this. You know, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do this. Anything where you love. So if you love the lash, you make that be a financial income. You love the hair, you make that be a financial income. And I'm going to tell you this, there's nothing wrong in starting over. Because sometimes you're there some place and God don't want you there. And God wants you to move on there, so you have to start over in order for you to elevate in a life. Because you see the place where you did there, that place was not for you. God wants you to move from the place, because the level and the testimony and the blessings we God have for you, you have to move from that places in order for you to climb up the ladder. So never afraid to start over. Nothing is wrong with that. Nothing is wrong in starting over. And not live to impress people. Nobody said, boy, people are going to say, you don't care what nobody want to say. Nobody no care about you. Nobody not come to save you. The only person can save you is God and yourself. If you want to know who real, drop on your face and say, who did they feel? If you want to know who real, have some money and broken man and know who did they feel, who respect you, who love you. So right now at the time for you respect yourself. Respect yourself right now. Love yourself. Know your worth. Okay, so if you don't know your worth, people are going to treat you the exact way how you treat yourself. You have to respect yourself. Because when we get to find out nowadays, some people, if they realize you don't have nobody, them treat you like you're a nobody. They look down upon you. So nowadays, I don't really tell people my story. I don't tell people my story if they're sorry for me. I tell them my story because I use my story as a testimony, as a blessing. I don't want nobody sorry for me. Because when you're sorry for me, you're sorry for can't help me. God alone can't help me. Make sure someone pray too. Pray. Pray. When you feel lazy, pray. Pray. In our prayer, I feel belong. Just pray one short prayer. Say, God, protect me from the things that I'm not able to see. So, Father God, go before me. Lead me in the path where you want me to go. Guide me, protect me, heal me, and shield me. So, guys, as me say, your girl that try to do her thing. Your girl that try to purchase a camera. As me say, for a longer time, from me start post from April. Your girl that try to purchase a camera. And as me say, me I try to go back up in a Montego Bay. go rent back my local place again like what me used to do and do my local things. So guys, when you can reach my number, I got up on the screen. When you can reach out to me in donating to the camera, when you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. That number is WhatsApp only. And again guys, you see, if when you not reach out to me to purchase no camera, do not contact me. I am a businesswoman. Me not have time for yes. Me don't want nobody to reach out to me. Hi, how are you? Who is this? Your boyfriend? I am a respectful person. I am a person with dignity, high self-esteem, and a big sense of humor. Me no want no waste boy or waste girl reach out to me. Me not look no friendship. Me I work for myself. So if you not reach out to me because you can't help me to purchase a camera, me not look no friendship. As I strictly said, only way you reach out to me if you're able to help me donate for purchase to buy the camera so me can pursue in a me dream. For a long time me I do YouTube. Me I do YouTube from 2019. Me I do YouTube, and at 2025 now. So check that. Me don't want nobody to talk about, oh, you know, you have to be careful you talk to fan. You must follow instruction. You can't reach out to me and they look friend. Someone you don't have no respect. When you call me much of a night, someone you call me. How may I help you? Is this Shakaberry? Guys, be respectful. Respect yourself. Love you guys. Peace out and thanks for the support always.